Speaking naturally and confidently comes with practice. Just believe in yourself and let your voice be heard.
Hi,
Hello.
how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Alex.
What is your name?
My name is Alex.
Where are you from?
I'm from America.
Where are you from?
I'm from America.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
Are you busy?
No, I'm free.
Are you busy?
No, I'm free.
What time is it?
It's 3 p.m.
What time is it?
It's 3 p.m.
What are you doing?
I'm studying.
What are you doing?
I'm studying.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I do.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I do.
What is your favorite food?
I like rice and chicken.
What is your favorite food?
I like rice and chicken.
Are you tired?
Yes, a little.
Are you tired?
Yes, a little.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
Can you help me?
Sure,
Can you help me?
sure.
What day is today?
Today is Monday.
What day is today?
Today is Monday.
What's the weather like?
It's sunny.
What's the weather like?
It's sunny.
Do you understand?
Yes, I do.
Do you understand?
Yes, I do.
Can you repeat?
Of course.
Can you repeat?
Of course.
Are you ready?
Yes, let's go.
Are you ready?
Yes, let's go.
What do you want?
I want water.
What do you want?
I want water.
Where are you going?
I'm going home.
Where are you going?
I'm going home.
What did you eat?
I ate rice.
What did you eat?
I ate rice.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did.
Do you work?
Yes, I do.
Do you work?
Yes, I do.
What's your job?
I'm a teacher.
What's your job?
I'm a teacher.
Are you married?
No, I'm not.
Are you married?
No, I'm not.
Do you have friends?
Yes, many.
Do you have friends?
Yes, many.
What do you like?
I like music.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, sometimes.
What are you watching?
I'm watching a movie.
What are you watching?
I'm watching a movie.
Do you play games?
Yes, I do.
Do you play games?
Yes, I do.
What's your hobby?
Reading books.
What's your hobby?
Reading books.
Do you travel?
Yes, I love traveling.
Do you travel?
Yes, I love traveling.
Where did you go?
I went to Cox's Bazaar.
Where did you go?
I went to Cox's Bazaar.
Do you like it?
Yes, I love it.
Do you like it?
Yes, I love it.
Are you hungry?
Yes, very.
Are you hungry?
Yes, very.
What do you want to eat?
I want noodles.
What do you want to eat?
I want noodles.
Do you cook?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you cook?
Yes, sometimes.
Is it delicious?
Yes, very tasty.
Is it delicious?
Yes, very tasty.
How was your day?
It was great.
How was your day?
It was great.
What happened?
Nothing much.
What happened?
Nothing much.
Are you coming?
Yes, I am.
Are you coming?
Yes, I am.
Can I join you?
Sure,
Can I join you?
sure.
What do you think?
I think it's good.
What do you think?
I think it's good.
Do you agree?
Yes, I agree.
Do you agree?
Yes, I agree.
Why not?
Good idea.
Why not?
Good idea.
What's your plan?
I will study.
What's your plan?
I will study.
When will you come?
Tomorrow.
When will you come?
Tomorrow.
What time?
At 5 p.m.
What time?
At 5 p.m.
Are you free now?
Yes, I am.
Are you free now?
Yes, I am.
Let's go out.
Okay.
Let's go out.
Okay.
Where shall we go?
To the park.
Where shall we go?
To the park.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I do.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I do.
What kind?
Action movies.
What kind?
Action movies.
Who is your favorite actor?
I like Tom Cruise.
Who is your favorite actor?
I like Tom Cruise.
Do you listen to music?
Yes, every day.
Do you listen to music?
Yes, every day.
What song do you like?
Pop songs.
What song do you like?
Pop songs.
Can you sing?
A little.
Can you sing?
A little.
Let's practice English.
Great idea.
Let's practice English.
Great idea.
Where is the shop?
It's nearby.
Where is the shop?
It's nearby.
How much is this?
It's $10.
How much is this?
It's $10.
Can I get a discount?
Sorry, no.
Can I get a discount?
Sorry, no.
Do you accept cash?
Yes.
Do you accept cash?
Yes.
Can I pay online?
Yes, you can.
Can I pay online?
Yes, you can.
Where's the bathroom?
Over there.
Where's the bathroom?
Over there.
Can I sit here?
Yes, please.
Can I sit here?
Yes, please.
Is this seat free?
Yes.
Is this seat free?
Yes.
Can you call me?
Sure.
Can you call me?
Sure.
What's your number?
It's 0123456789.
What's your number?
It's 0123456789.
Did you call me?
Yes, I did.
Did you call me?
Yes, I did.
Why did you call?
Just to talk.
Why did you call?
Just to talk.
Are you okay now?
Yes, I'm fine.
Are you okay now?
Yes, I'm fine.
Do you need help?
No, thank you.
Do you need help?
No, thank you.
What are you doing now?
I'm working.
What are you doing now?
I'm working.
May I come in?
Yes, come in.
May I come in?
Yes, come in.
May I leave now?
Yes.
May I leave now?
Yes.
Are you done?
Not yet.
Are you done?
Not yet.
How long?
10 minutes.
How long?
10 minutes.
Hurry up!
Okay.
Hurry up!
Okay.
Long time no see.
Yes, how are you?
What's going on?
Nothing much.
What's going on?
Nothing much.
Are you serious?
Yes, I am.
Are you serious?
Yes, I am.
Really?
Yes, really.
Really?
Yes, really.
What's wrong?
I'm tired.
What's wrong?
I'm tired.
Don't worry.
Thanks.
Don't worry.
Thanks.
Take care.
You too.
Take care.
You too.
See you later.
Bye.
See you later.
Bye.
What's up?
All good.
What's up?
All good.
How's life?
It's good.
How's life?
It's good.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am.
What makes you happy?
Learning English.
What makes you happy?
Learning English.
Do you practice daily?
Yes, every day.
Is it difficult?
A little.
Is it difficult?
A little.
Will you improve?
Yes, I will.
Will you improve?
Yes, I will.
What's your goal?
To speak fluently.
What's your goal?
To speak fluently.
Can you do it?
Yes, I can.
Can you do it?
Yes, I can.
Believe in yourself.
I will.
Believe in yourself.
I will.
Keep going.
Thank you.
Keep going.
Thank you.
Are you ready to speak English?
I'm ready.
Are you ready to speak English?
I'm ready.